As you all know that we can easily save photos captured by our Snapchat application to our gallery. How can you download Snapchat photos to your gallery? So guys, this step is manual. This is not automatic that you will capture any photo on your Snapchat and it will directly save into your gallery. There is a manual setting by which you can just save your photos into the gallery. That setting is going on the Snapchat. I will show you that setting. How can you save photos in your mobile phone first, and after that I will show you that if you're facing any issue in saving your photos, how can you solve that. Firstly, this is my Snapchat, you can see, and this is my chat screen on my Snapchat here. What I have to do, just click on the camera option here on my Snapchat middle, click on the gallery and photos on left. After that, you can see there is a lot of photo, and I will click one of these photos here and click on the right bottom of screen called send to, and the fifth option is called download. Exporting snap, and the photo is now saved inside my gallery. So if you cannot do this setting, or if you cannot save photos in your mobile phone, how can you solve that? So guys, there is only one issue, that is maybe due to network connection in your Snapchat. Please make sure that you have a better network connection, or you are connected to internet in order to save photos in your mobile phone gallery. And the second step is to check your phone's gallery or phone storage, that you have enough storage to download or save any photo from Snapchat inside your gallery. So these are the two steps by which you can easily save or download photos from Snapchat camera or captured by Snapchat into your mobile phone gallery. So if you like this video, if this video was helpful, then please subscribe the channel. We will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. If you have any question, any query, or any confusion regarding any topic, you can drop the topic into the comment section. We will make a separate video on that topic soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.